Hi everyone, Redfern here once again. Here to answer your commonly asked questions about Onpassive. So today's topic is founders, resellers and customers and the difference between all of these people. So a founder is somebody who has joined Onpassive either as $97 or $149, and this position is only open up until we launch to the world. Okay, as soon as we launch, that's it, finished, no more founders positions. So what is the difference between a founder and a reseller? So the first thing I want to tell you is that all founders will become a reseller when we launch to the world. This is what we are going to pay our first month's subscription for, to become a reseller of the products and services of Onpassive. So a founder is difference between a founder and reseller, because a lot of people say, well, why don't I just wait and become a reseller and then I know everything's going to happen, da-di-da, and all the rest of it. So there must be a reason why it is better for me to be a founder now than wait to be a reseller. And there's a lot of reasons why it is beneficial for you to be a founder now before we launch to the world rather than waiting to become a reseller. So the number one reason, or not number one reason, but one of the reasons why it's advantageous for you to be a founder now is because we get to use the back office, which is our GoFounders back office, and all the tools that are in there now. If you are a founder, you know what is there. There is a lot of tools, services and products in your back office that only founders will use. A reseller will not have access to the GoFounders website. Also, as a founder, the timestamp, now this is the day that you actually pay for your founder's position, gives you priority positioning within the company payment system. We haven't got details on this as yet, but that timestamp is specific to where you are placed within the company. Now, resellers will not be part of this payment system. Okay, so that is a different thing as well. Also, we have been told that as a founder, we will have a different traffic system than resellers will. So again, another advantageous thing to have, because we're going to get better prioritized targeted traffic than maybe a reseller will. Plus, the last thing that is beneficial to be a founder is we get the chance to be able to share this opportunity and to build our teams prior to the launch to the world. Okay, as a reseller, you will have to wait till we launch to the world to become for that. So that is a founder. Let's move on to what a reseller is. Now, all founders are resellers, but only customers can become a reseller. That means that no customer can become a founder, because the only way a customer is there is because we've already launched to the world. So let's move on to a reseller. Now, a reseller is either a person who goes straight in and pays for a monthly subscription for all of the products and services within the Onpassive ecosystem. They then get a link like we do in our own back office, but this will be on the Onpassive platform, and they will be a reseller of the products and services of Onpassive, so that they can build their own team, they can make commissions of people who are using the products as customers. Okay, so that is the difference between a founder and a reseller and a customer. And a customer is a person that wants to buy just one product. Okay, so say for instance they just want to purchase OConnect, or they just want to purchase ONet, or if they want to purchase any of the other services and products of Onpassive, they can individually buy that. But to us it makes no difference, because we will still be earning commission from customers the same as we will be earning commission from resellers. So I hope that has sorted out the difference between a founder, a reseller, and a customer. If a customer comes in, okay, and they like what they see, they have got the ability then to become a reseller. Okay, don't forget they're going to see all of the products and services on the Onpassive platform, and for 7 days they will be able to use all of these products and services. So there's a fair chance that a lot of the customers will want to be resellers because they'll see the advantage of being a reseller and making a residual income from sharing these products and services to other people. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for now for this little snippet. If you've enjoyed what you've watched, please hit that like button. It's just underneath this video here. Also in the bio underneath, okay, there is a link for more information about Onpassive, whether you are a founder now or a reseller or want to be one, the information is there. The last thing, please guys, if you've not already subscribed to this channel, just hit that subscribe button and you will be notified when I do more videos. And we love hearing your comments, so just stick them in the comment section underneath, and I always respond to everybody who puts something in there. Anyway guys, thanks very much and bye for now.